what's going on, y'all. So we just launched the boat. We're in Fort Bayou. We're gonna try and catch a redfish or two, maybe some sheepshead, and then we're gonna go down further down to the bridge, maybe the train bridge or the Biloxi Ocean Springs bridge, and try to catch some sheepshead. So stick with us. Let's go out there and catch some fish. Let's have a good time. All right.
It's a sheepshead.
Barely hooked sheepshead. All right, we got one in the boat so far. Technical difficulties on that, but see if we can get some more. Let's do this. That's a fish. Come on, get ready. Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy. Oh, he's going into the motor. Pull him out. Pull him out. There he is. Yank him up in here. Get him up in here. Ooh, came off the hook. Thank God that wasn't my rod tip. Good job, buddy. Good sheepshead. Oh, pick him up.
Like that. What?
What are you doing?
I can't do nothing with my right hand.
Got you a fish. Good one. You gotta grip him a little harder than that. Okay, so stop him. Just pick him up. You want to release him?
Driving harder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean higher.
Yeah, that's fine. Here, you want to release him? Don't go up there. Here, go ahead and put him back. Good job, buddy. There you go. Hooked up again. Get him out of there. There you go. Oh, another small one. Let him line up. Let him line up. Let him line. Yeah, because I don't want to high stick it.
It's probably the same one. No, that one's
This one's
smaller.
smaller.
Yeah, for sure.
Good fish though, buddy. It's a good one. Now firm grip, okay? Nice one. I go throw him back. All right, let's get you. I'm sure you might be able to use the same shrimp. Oh, black drum. A little black drum. So actually give that. I'm gonna let him meet that one. Thanks for the fight, little buddy. Oh, he swam into the motor. That's a good fish. Or you... I like a good fish. We're gonna take it. It's a keeper. That's a good one. Yeah, I don't want to break that rod. You can pee on Jace, not me.
Somebody got hit.
He didn't even get hooked in the mouth. You smoked him in the side of the face with it.
Get your ass over here.
All right, number 2 in the box.
There he is.
Come here.
Watch out, Jake. When they swing that thing in, it's going to go to the back. It's like that's the giant version of a pinfish right there.
The giant version of a pinfish. I love that. We gotta measure him. He just projectile pooped everywhere.
Okay, we'll have to boat now.
It's too cold to wash it. Yeah, that's gonna be a measure for sure.
Right behind you.
Bump board. He's just short. Oh no, he passes 14.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's 14 and a half. He's keeping. All right, never mind. Third fish. Box. Oh. Are your hands warming up now so you can fish?
Yo?
Oh, Malcolm's pole.
Redfish.
A redfish. A little rat red, yo. Here we go. That's a pretty one. Bye-bye, dude. Bring him over. Go to this side of the boat. Go to the other side of the boat. Go to the other side of the boat. Outside the motor. Got him a redfish. Good job, buddy. Hold your fish. You got gloves?
No.
Okay, sorry. Maybe a little cold. It's a nice little redfish, man. Hey, wipe that lens real quick for you. Yeah? Go ahead and get the release on him, okay? Good job, buddy. So, got a few fish over there. It's just real noisy and the wind's blowing in our face, so we're gonna try to find somewhere to, I don't know, get some cover away from the wind. But we're having fun. A few little redfish. Some I think we got what, 3 keeper sheepshead? So 3 keepers, a few throwbacks. It's this man Jay's birthday. Everyone wish him a happy birthday. He's frozen. It's 30 degrees out here, but we're still having a good time. Thankfully he brought hand warmers. Malcolm's like, yeah. So, all right, we're gonna find a new spot to fish. Stay with us. We're up under the bridge. Ugh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay, well, we're up under the bridge. This is gonna be our last spot. It's just too cold. I mean, I don't know how these guys in them kayaks out there are doing it. But let's see if we catch a fish. If not, we've got 3 fish in the box, so it's still a good day. We've caught a few fish. Everyone caught some fish, so I am ready to get into a truck with a heater and then go eat some food. That's what I'm ready for. So hopefully we can catch at least 1 or 2 more. But so we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Get him, Jay. Come on, birthday boy.
I took the picture too early, yeah.
That's a black drum.
That's a good eater black drum too.
You'll get the hook on. Alright. Go get the fish.
Net that fish for your daddy.
On your birthday.
On that birthday. Perfect eating size black drum right there.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Nice.
Now we about to sit here for another 2 minutes. And we just added time, just like that.
Yes, Jay, good job, buddy.
He said, hey, Jay said, is that yeah, Jay, get it.
Look at that, Joe. Jay got him a black drum.
I saw the boat keep turning. I was like, I don't know, maybe his boat's just yeah, maybe he hung up again.
Awesome, awesome. That was a much needed fish.
Yeah.
We keeping this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll play him up. Y'all don't want him. I know people, y'all understand. I know
Oh yeah, another one for the box, y'all.
the lady that
Oh, we got that black drum. Nothing else. It's just too cold. Just hang out. He's Jay's getting the anchor. We are calling it a day. Did you have fun?
like always, like always.
It was a good time. We're gonna get some food.
Freezing.
Let's got this motor on.
It's on.
Oh, it's on? Let's go have a good time
Yeah.
with the food. Because I'm ready to smash some burritos.
So am I.
So are you? Let's do
I
it.
haven't ate today.
I mean, that's some beef jerky
Beef jerky.
and a monster, you know, the essentials.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah, let's do this. Oh, you coming too?
Yeah. Come on, Dad.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Give us some land. I got his too.
Yep. Live. He dropped it.
You dropped it, buddy. Let me get you a bigger one. I guess that one wasn't good enough for you. Because that one wasn't good enough for you. You got it?
No, I don't.
You like it?
When I bite your fingers off, don't ask me.
Yeah, he got hooked. Come here, buddy. How come you don't want it? You're being shy. You're being shy. Eat it. There you go. You don't like shellfish. You got a shellfish allergy? Huh? Huh?
He said,
And this one just waddled off.
Hey. Hey.
You can really train them things to be like dogs.
So we had a great time out there. Caught a few fish. Well, we mainly just stayed right in this little area right here. But, I mean, we ran a little bit, didn't have any luck. We caught that one black drum under the bridge. So it was a great day. Just so cold. We would have went other places if it wasn't so cold. We really wanted to go trout fishing. Just didn't happen. Just couldn't bring ourselves to do it. But, oh, just stepped on a pile of mud. That's wonderful. Great. Well, at least it wasn't poop. But that's it for today. We're going to go eat some food. I got mud on my shoe now. It's wonderful. All right. If y'all haven't yet, hit that like button and please subscribe. Love y'all. And we'll see you on the next one.
Maybe it won't be as cold.
Maybe it won't be as cold. Love y'all. Bye.